Hi, I'm Richard Felson, Product Manager from TCL Electronics Australia. One of the great features of the TCL Android TV range is Bluetooth connectivity. With Bluetooth connectivity, you have the ability to connect other devices like a Bluetooth keyboard or a Bluetooth mouse, or in this case, Bluetooth headphones. I mean, it could be late at night, you don't want to disturb the family when you're watching a movie. How easy to just hook up your Bluetooth headphones, you're going to get super high quality sound, you're not going to disturb the rest of the family. And it is super easy to connect. So let me show you how we do this. First of all, you're going to go into your settings menu. Then you're going to scroll all the way down to where it says Remote and Accessories. And you're going to then select Add Accessory. Now you get a message here that says, before pairing your Bluetooth devices, make sure that they are in pairing mode. So then you're gonna need to refer to the instructions of your headphones to see how to get them into pairing mode. And most of them, it's basically you push and you hold the power button, but you do need to sort of refer to those instructions. But so in this particular headphones, we're gonna push and hold the power button. And I know this device is in pairing mode because I'm seeing a blue and white light flashing. Again, this will depend on what headphones you've got. So we're going to select OK. And as you can see, searching for accessories, it's instantly found my Bluetooth headphones. So I'm just now going to push OK. Pairing. Okay, you'll get a Bluetooth pairing request. Again, this varies on the device. So we're going to just select pair. Paired, and we're done. That's all you need to do. So now the TV is now connected to Bluetooth via the headphones. If I increase or decrease the volume, I can actually see the Bluetooth logo, so I know I'm connected. Now also, if I can control the volume on the headphones, I can see I've got control of the TV's volume through the headphones as well too, so it's a seamless connection. For more exciting tips and tricks, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.